Good morning and welcome back to a new day of daily updates across all of the major dollar pairs. Starting off with DXY on the daily time frame, we can see we've had our break of structuring towards the upside, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. We were favouring previously this low getting taken before seeing that upside continuation. However, after seeing a couple of internal breaks of structuring towards the upside, we anticipated that we could start heading towards this week swing high. Then we had a peace deal in Iran, and now it looks, in my opinion, like we could see some dollar weakness. We've had a break of structuring towards the downside, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. Now, as we stated, we have got this internal trend that is pushing pricing towards the upside. However, we have now liquidated this high over here, and we have started to see a bit of a sell-off in towards the downside. It is important to bear in mind that this demand zone is still in control, so the highest probability sales will come after a break of this low and then the retest down in towards the lows. I do fancy these getting taken as it is a weak swing structure if we have a look purely from a market structure perspective, and I just think overall the dollar is a little bit overpriced. So what does that mean for Euro USD? We can see we've had a break of structuring towards the downside, and this is the current swing range. We liquidated this high and then we've seen that structure start to form on the lower time frame. However, we still have this point of liquidity on the daily still open, so I would like to see one more drive in towards the upside before seeing that real move in towards the downside play out. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we are still swing bullish. We've had a break of structure here, and this is the current swing range. Now, I know this internal trend is facilitating a move lower. We have now liquidated a daily point of liquidity, and then we've seen a bullish price action response. So what I'll be looking for now is price to at least take out this level, but ultimately I am anticipating this supply zone to break. So if we go down onto the 1-hour time frame, what we can see is we've had a break of structuring towards the downside, and this is the current swing range. Now on the 1-hour, we can see another internal trend that's pushing price in towards the highs, and because there's no liquidity in this move here, I do feel like these equal highs here are the closest point of liquidity as a target. This demand zone is in control at the moment, but what I would like to see now is a break of this high, come back down, sweep this consolidation period that we have going on here, before we then see that move towards this liquidity target take place.